In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Steam for beginners. Intro. Now first, if you don't have Steam, you can get it from your browser. So open up a web browser like Google Chrome, search for Steam, go to the official website and install it by hitting install up in the top right corner. And continue through the setup process. Once it's installed, you can either log into an existing account or create a new one for free. And this is going to be both a game store and a game launcher. So to find games, you want to go to the store tab right here, and they have a summer sale going on right now with a bunch of different stuff on here. You could scroll through here and look at all the deals that might be going on, or if you're looking for something specific, you can just search for it as well. Let's just go ahead and say we want to look at, I guess, Pal World, right? Select on whatever game it is that you want. It's usually going to have a few different trailers, some images of the game. And then of course you would just scroll down on here and then you would go ahead and hit add to cart to add it to your cart. And from there you'd be able to go to the purchase option and purchase it. Now once you actually purchase the game, it's going to say, do you want to add this to your library? Go ahead and hit add to library and then start downloading it. And then it's going to pop up in this library tab right here. Or if you select it, you're going to see all of your games. Now I have a ton of games right here, so ignore that. From here, you're able to find it in here, and if you didn't install it, you'll be prompted to install it again. But if you did install it, it'll go ahead and pop up. And what's something that I currently have installed actually right now? Oh, I guess Fall Guys. Interesting. But yeah, once it's installed, you would just hit play right here, and then you'd be good to go. Now, you can also add games that were not bought on Steam. You would just go ahead and choose Add Game down the very bottom, and then from here, you could select Add Non-Steam Game, and you could add games that aren't on Steam on here, just so that you can access it fully through Steam. Steam also has profiles, friends, and community features, but some features do require at least spending $5 on Steam first, but that's it. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.